Welcome to the 31 Days to Learn programming course from Destin Learning. This is week 1, and we're starting with chapter 1, What is Programming? In this lesson, we'll demystify how we communicate with computers and lay the foundational understanding for your programming journey. Welcome to chapter 1. In this foundational lesson, we'll explore why computers need precise instructions, how your code provides the intelligence they lack, and the essential concept of algorithms as logical plans. This understanding is crucial for building robust and error-free programs. Computers are incredibly powerful, but fundamentally, they are dumb machines. They don't think, reason, or make assumptions. They simply follow exact instructions. Your code is what gives them their intelligence, providing the precise steps needed to accomplish tasks. Think of programming as writing a detailed, step-by-step recipe for a computer. Each instruction must be clear and unambiguous. An algorithm is essentially this logical plan, outlining the sequence of operations required to solve a problem or achieve a specific outcome. Crafting clear logic is paramount, as it's what prevents unexpected computer errors and ensures your programs run smoothly. Programming isn't just an abstract concept, it powers nearly everything in our modern world. Consider how traffic lights run on timed loops, ensuring safe passage for vehicles. Smart thermostats constantly adjust to maintain your preferred temperature, learning your habits over time. And every time you open a social media app, complex algorithms are instantly sorting and presenting your feed. These are just a few examples of how code translates into real-world functionality that impacts our daily lives. Let's summarize Chapter 1. Remember, computers perform exactly what you tell them to do. No more, no less. Programming is the art of writing clear, logical instructions to achieve specific outcomes. Algorithms are the step-by-step recipes that solve problems, forming the backbone of all software. Ultimately, code is the invisible force that powers the modern world around us, from the devices in our pockets to the infrastructure that keeps our cities running. Thank you for joining us for this introductory chapter.